Losing someone you care about is never easy. We know that sorting out a death benefit can feel like a lot right now, so we'll guide you through each step. A death claim is how a member's super and any insurance are paid out after they've passed away. This payment is called a death benefit because a member's super isn't automatically part of a person's estate. We know this is a difficult time, which is why you'll have a dedicated AMP super claims specialist guiding you through the process. They'll help with forms and documents and keep you updated, so you're not left in the dark. To make things easier, we've broken our process down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Contact. When you're ready, you can let us know about the member's passing using our online form, phone, email, or post, whatever feels easiest. To get started, you'll need their full name, date of birth, date of death, and, if you have it, their member number. We'll move their super balance to a cash investment option to help protect its value while we process the claim. Step 2. Details. We'll send you a personalized claim pack with everything you'll need. This includes a checklist, claim form, an estimate of the member's super account balance or any potential insurance benefit, and a list of required documents, so you always know what to expect. And if there's a nominated beneficiary, we'll let you know too. Your dedicated claims specialist will be in touch within 5 business days, or 48 hours if you use the online form, and support you every step of the way. Step 3. Review. Once we have your documents, our team will review everything. Your claims specialist will keep you in the loop at least every 20 business days and let you know if anything changes, or if we need more information. Step 4. Outcome. We'll let you know who will receive the benefit, based on super laws and any nominations on the account. Who gets the death benefit depends on whether there was a beneficiary nominated, the type of nomination, and if it was valid at the time of passing. We'll keep you informed about how decisions are made. The time it takes to finalize your claim can vary, depending on the details. In some cases, we may also need to let potential beneficiaries know how we intend to pay the death benefit and give them the chance to respond. Step 5. Payment. We'll ask the beneficiaries how they'd like to be paid. Payments are usually made by electronic transfer, either directly to beneficiaries or to the estate. The benefit can be paid as a lump sum or in scheduled payments. Your claims specialist will explain all your options and help you choose what's right for you. Wondering if you can make a death benefit claim? Scan the QR code on screen to see who can claim and what to do next. To help ensure your benefit goes to the right person, quickly and smoothly, we recommend making a non-lapsing beneficiary nomination. Log in or register for MyAMP today to get started. You don't have to go through this on your own. We'll be here to guide you every step of the way. And if you need extra support, whether it's language, accessibility, or culturally appropriate care for First Nations members, just reach out and let us know.